back to my YouTube channel. So in this series of tutorials, we are going to think about the conveyor, especially the mining equipment. Okay. So not having any parts, I have to build everything from here itself. So just create an assembly file. Okay. So there's no any parts storage. Okay, I have to create every single part from here itself. So being a first step, I'll just make a yeah. Let's suppose I want to make 20 meters conveyor. Okay, so what I have to do, at 20 meters I cannot make as a one single conveyor. So we'll have to make it as a segments, and then we'll have to join, and we'll have to provide the joining plan, that string structural building plan. So all we'll have to give it. Okay, so what I going to doing is I'll add one part first. Okay, so float. I'll open this part in a separate window. I'll yeah, I'll choose front plane. I'll use one line command like this way. Yeah, I'll make these two equal. This length I'll keep 250, and this I'll keep 100. That's fine. Exit. Control 7. Go to sheet metal, base flange, and the thickness I'll be choosing the thickness as 6 mm. Yeah, and then the overall length I can take the 5 meters on both sides. So fine, 5 meters. Just stick it. Okay, I got a sheet metal one stringer. Okay, so let's save it. Close it. Okay, I need to have one more on opposite direction. Okay, it's fine. Okay, these rods not fixed. These rods not fixed. So let's constrain any of them. Origin, coincidence. Okay. Incident. I'm going to using 800 width belt. So 800 width is readily manufactured in factories. So we need to keep more than 800. So let's consider 300. Okay, overall of 1100. That's fine. Okay, control 7. Okay, now I got a setup like that. So okay, but in practical life, these two won't be in this way, right? So we need to provide some of the joining members to hold them together. So for that, what I'm going to doing is I'll insert one more part. Okay, load it. Okay, let's measure the distance between here to here, which is 1100, right? So that's fine. So I'm going to open this part in a new window, and I'll make a one line on top plane with a length of 1100. Fine. Now exit. Control 7. Go to weldments and click on the structural members. Select this line and go for L angle only. Angle. Fine. So the size it may depends upon later also. So, but the maximum available size in this particular ISO standards. So it is a 35, 35, 5. So let's click on that for now. Okay. So hide this line and close it. Now you have a L angle also. So bottom side, I use the L angles to join these two together. Select this face and this coincident. Save this, and save this face. Okay, and with the command. Okay, this is fine. Now we are just placed it. right? So in order to make it join together, we need to provide some bolting options, right? So let's do that. Okay. Okay, on this phase we'll provide that whole options. Position, select this phase, and okay, okay. I'll keep a distance of 50 from this edge. And here also I'll do the same thing. Sorry, control that, and exit. So this is a tap hole. I don't want tap hole there. I want M12 clearance holes. These two clearance. M12. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, now close it. Yes. Now see, the mate we have given the wrong mate. Okay. Okay. So what we can do? Let's edit that mate and coincidence. Okay. Okay. So this is coincident. Then similarly, we need to have a on this also. Okay. So we'll have to provide holes. So edit. We'll make one position. Okay. Okay. We got what's the data? Let's make one line from it. This mate. Okay. Now on this point, I'll make coincidence. And yeah, this is the midpoint. From midpoint to this, how much distance it is? 2100. Yeah, fine. So I'll give L angles 1 meter, once and at every 1 meter. Or else what we can do, okay, let's set out this. Is again 2100. Okay, this 2300 we will, okay, from this point to this 2000 divided by 4. Okay, by 25, by 2500. Okay, not 3100 divided by 3. Okay, to 700. That's fine. From this point to this point, 700. From this point to this point, 700. Okay, okay, what we can do is 4200, right? Total from here to here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. I need to make it 5. Okay, 4200 divided by 5. Enter. Okay, 840 degrees. 840 enter. 840 enter. 840 enter. Okay, now measure the gap from here to here. 840 degrees, right? So again same thing we have from there. Okay, now select this hole and yeah, you can exit. Okay, select this hole and this hole. Make sure the coincidence option. Okay, okay, cancel it. Yeah, select this hole and this this hole and this hole. 9 93.26. 993.26. Okay, we'll delete this two dimensions. 993.26. We have to keep that. 993.26 enter. And this center to this is equals to this dimension divided by 2 enter. That's it. Is it? Okay, now you can make this. Still it is not showing. Okay. What we can do, we can delete this dimension distance relation. Okay. Now you can make it. Okay, fine, right. Okay, this is not moving anywhere. Let's see how it is constrained. Delete that. Okay, control 7. any whole command there. Okay, now I want this angle to be exist at every single hole. So what I can do is go to the derived pattern derived. Select this one. Okay, now you can see the entities are being suitable areas. So this is fine.